Are e-scooters igniting a silent workplace safety crisis?
Hit the bell and subscribe for notifications on all our future videos. And head below to leave a like and comment about what you enjoyed from today's video.
E-scooters and e-bikes are everywhere, but there's a hidden danger lurking. The risk of battery fires is rising sharply and workplaces may not be prepared. The British Woodworking Federation has revealed a 93% surge in lithium-ion battery fires, with e-scooters a major culprit, and it's not just a home issue. 19% of people charge them at work, yet almost half spot problems with workplace fire doors, raising the question whether employers are putting the same attention into ensuring fire doors are properly installed and maintained to minimize risk of life. Fire doors are the best defense against spreading fires, providing crucial escape time, but they're often neglected. Problems like being blocked or having faulty hinges go unreported. Only a small percentage take action on these faults. E-bikes and e-scooters are one of London's fastest growing fire risks. Since the beginning of 2023, there has been a fire on average every other day involving an e-bike or e-scooter. The London Fire Brigade's advice is to keep charging points away from escape routes and keep fire doors shut. Could the oversight of fire doors turn e-scooters into a workplace crisis? For more on this story, read the full article in our news category.
Read more at twinfm.com.